Custom Car Care.
Hi, I'm Ryan, manager of Seeburg Service Center here in Springfield. For 46 years, we've been writing our history on the pages of Springfield, and we've been closely associated with A-1 Custom Car Care for 36 of those years. It's time for two to become one, however, and soon we will be combining with A-1 Custom Car Care here in town with the same great service, the same great people, and the same easy-to-access locations. It's time for us to start a new chapter in our history, and we ask you to join us.
3 convenient locations, Port and Sunshine, Highway 60 in Republic. We're proud to announce our new shop. It is just off of South Kansas Expressway on Sunset across from Classic Rock Coffee. Go to a1customcarcare.com to schedule your appointment today.
Your complete car care solution. A1 Custom Car Care. A1 Custom Car Care.